Setting the valve lash on these GVC engines is normal maintenance. On these Honda engines, if you want your engine to start first pull, you'll be adjusting your valve lash every couple years. So you're gonna need to take your valve cover off quite a bit. If you've ever had to pull this silicone gasket off, you know you don't want to do this every time. So once you get this cleaned off once, you're going to want to put a real gasket on there so you can take it off as many times as you need to maintain this engine. So you're going to want to put a permanent gasket on this. You could buy gasket material, or in a pinch, you could use this. Cork contact paper. This is the cork that you use to line your kitchen drawers with. I've been using this stuff for years for gaskets. It comes in really big sheets, and it even has adhesive on the back. This adhesive is nice. It'll stick right to the valve cover. Just make sure the valve cover is good and clean. Just take a sharp knife and cut the gasket using the valve cover as a template. This cork will work a lot better than this old silicone gasket. It might reseal, but I doubt it. Here we need a really big gasket. Luckily, this stuff is a big roll. So we'll just peel it off and stick it on and cut it just like the other one. Just take your X-Acto knife and just feel around on the part and cut away. And for next to nothing, you've got a nice big gasket. I've been using this stuff for about 3 years, and so far, no leaks. These two examples I've just gone through are low pressure examples. If it was high pressure, I'd go factory spec. So if you're looking for a low cost gasket for a low pressure situation, this might work for you. Well, if you found the video useful, please give the video a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.